Everyone. Do you need to restore your WhatsApp chats from a Google Drive backup? Today I will guide you through the process to retrieve your messages and media. So now let's get started. So first, ensure you're using the same Google account and phone number that were used to create the backup. This is crucial for the restoration process. Now uninstall WhatsApp from your device. Then go to the Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp and reinstall it. Now open WhatsApp and follow the on-screen instructions to verify your phone number. Next, after verification, WhatsApp will detect the available backup on Google Drive. Now when prompted, tap Restore to initiate the restoration process. Once the restoration is complete, tap Next to finish setting up your profile. Your chats will be displayed after initialization. The media files will continue to restore in the background. And that's it. You have successfully restored your WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.